Hello students, today I am going to explain the process of sex determination. The mechanism by which sex of living organisms is established is termed as sex determination. In some species, both male and female reproductive organs are present in one organism. It is described as bisexual or hermaphrodite or monoecious. In some species, organism has either male or female reproductive organs. It is said to be dioecious or unisexual. Humans are dioecious. German biologist Henking in 1891, while studying spermatogenesis of the squash bug Anasa tristis, noted that 50% of sperms receive the unpaired chromosomes while other 50% sperm do not receive it. Henking gave a name to this structure as the X-body, but he could not explain its role in sex determination. Further investigation by other scientists led to conclusion that the X-body of Henking was in fact a chromosome and gave the name X chromosome. So, name X chromosome was given to X-body of Henking. Now we will see sex determination in human beings. The chromosomal mechanism of sex determination in human being is XXXY type. Human diploid cell has 46 chromosomes or 23 pairs of chromosomes. Out of these, 22 pairs are autosomes and 1 pair of sex chromosome. Autosomes carrying genes for body character, sex chromosomes carrying genes for other sex related character. Human female has a pair of XX, that is homomorphic sex chromosomes, while male has XY, heteromorphic sex chromosomes. Hence, genotypes of female 44 autosomes plus XX sex chromosome, male 44 autosomes plus XY sex chromosomes. So, as female is having XX, it is homomorphic, male is having XY, hence it is called as heteromorphic. So this is all about the sex determination in human being. Then we will say the process of gamete formation in male and female male and female. During gamete formation in male, the diploid germ cell in testes undergoes spermatogenesis to produce two types of haploid sperms. That is 50% sperms contain 22 autosomes and X chromosome, while 50% sperms contain 22 autosomes and Y chromosome. But in female, the diploid germ cell in ovaries undergo oogenesis to produce only one type of haploid eggs. All eggs contain 22 autosomes and X chromosome. As the human male is having XY, it is called as heterogametic, and female is having XX, hence homogametic. If sperm containing X chromosome fertilize the egg, the diploid zygote formed after fertilization grows into female child. And if sperm containing Y chromosome fertilizes the egg, then diploid zygote formed after fertilization grows into a male child. This indicates that the sex of a child depends on the type of sperm fertilizing the egg, and hence the father is responsible for sex of child and not the mother. यानी सेक्स ऑफ चाइल्ड के लिए फादर रिस्पॉन्सिबल है. वाई एग को फर्टिलाइज करता है तो एक्स वाई यानी मेल. अगर एक्स ऑफ मेल फर्टिलाइजेस एग देन एक्स सेक्स यानी फीमेल. ड्यू टू लैक ऑफ नॉलेज वुमेन्स आर ऑफन ब्लेम्ड फॉर गिविंग बर्थ ऑफ फीमेल चाइल्ड. So this is the graphical representation of sex determination in human being. Here P1 generation male heterogametic XY, female homogametic XX. So when X male gamete or sperm fertilizes X egg, then female individual. When Y sperm fertilizing X, then XY means male individuals are obtained. So here 2 female and 2 male individuals are obtained by the cross of male and female. So this is from this chart you understood the concept of sex determination.